Yeah. Greatness. You know hard work. YFN BC thinks it's a game. It's not a game. Hey. Yeah. I can't see nobody stopping us. Yeah. We're unstoppable. Went through a whole lot of obstacles.
Hey, what's going on? This is Marcus from the Fly Cleaners. So we got us another video here. We're working on some Nike Air Yeezy blinks. I put this video together for y'all. Make sure you check it out. Comment, like, share. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got more videos coming. I'm gonna be uploading my live videos from TikTok, and also on TikTok. Make sure you follow me at the Fly Cleaners. Also on Instagram, Facebook, _fly_cleaners for both. All my products are available on my website, theflycleanersatl.com. And all the links and all that's going to be in the description. So make sure y'all just tap in, man. Leave your feedback. Let me know what's going on. All right, hope you enjoy.
We was raised not to have a feel. When nothing died, there's so many tears. So many nights I cried and swore. So many nights I cried
is we're going to remove the midsole and the outsole. All right, we're going to start off using some acetone, right? But the thing is, we don't want to put too much acetone because the shoe is 10 years old, and I don't want the acetone to actually affect the sole too much. So we're going to see how much we got. It looks like we got some steady glue, but we got some weaknesses. So we're going to use some acetone, but we're going to also use the steamer. So as a matter of fact, we'll start off with the steamer first, and then we'll use the acetone. All right, so we got the midsole separated. Now we just want to make sure it fits. All right, so we will make sure it fits, and it looks like it's perfect fit. It's perfect fit for the shoe. Zoom in on that if you can. Like it's perfect fit for the shoe. All right, let's make sure it fits in the midsole. So perfect fit right there too. Perfect fit. Perfect. Take some acetone, and we just gonna scrape it off. Put it on there like this. Squirt it on. We're getting ready to use a steamer on this part on the inside. We don't want to use a lot of acetone because we don't want to actually damage the midsole and have it start to weaken, because we still got a strong, sturdy midsole. So we're going to use a steamer to scrape off all the glue on both sides. Then we're going to use some acetone just to get it off, but we're not going to use a lot. All right. Now we're going to remove the midsole off of the shoe. And you can see the midsole is crumbling. So we're going to remove the midsole from the shoe, because it's really just tear it off of there. Alright, tear that off of there, then we're going to scrape all this off. We're going to scrape all this off. We're going to air unit right down on that. Yep. So what we got is the strap, the glue off the strap came off. And so what we gotta do is we're gonna remove all the old glue and then put some glue on the strap, put the Velcro back on. now we get ready to put Barge SuperStick Cement on the outsole, the midsole, and then the uppers. So we'll do the outsole, the midsole first, and then we're gonna do the uppers. All right.
It's constant. Unlike these human beings who lie about what it's.
It's Genesis.
Alright, so we're at the last step. As you can see, everything is on point with the reglue. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to spray some angelus mink oil to refresh the suede and reset the nap. Then final step, it's in the roll. Okay?
It's Genesis.